Why you should switch from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS. If you run a retail business, you understand the importance of having a robust point of sale system. A POS system lets you conduct transactions fast and efficiently. It can also keep track of goods, customers, and sales data. QuickBooks POS is one of the most popular point of sale systems on the market. However, many business owners are making the transition to Shopify POS. In this video, we'll go over some of the reasons why you should consider switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS. Shopify is more user-friendly than QuickBooks Point of Sale. One of the most common complaints regarding QuickBooks Point of Sale is that software has issues, freezes, hangs, and has grown outdated. The program is sophisticated and tough to understand. This might cause irritating delays while trying to check out clients. Shopify POS, on the other hand, is far more user-friendly. The UI is simple to learn and use, and the program is cutting-edge in terms of functionality. This means you can complete transactions swiftly and easily. For a free consultation, please see the link below. Get answers to all of your Shopify POS questions. Shopify has more e-commerce tools than QuickBooks Point of Sale. If you're searching for a POS system that provides more than just basic point-of-sale features, Shopify is the way to go. Shopify offers extensive e-commerce tools in addition to the ability to conduct transactions and maintain inventory. This provides features such as automated shipping calculations, abandoned cart recovery, and product reviews. These functions are not accessible with QuickBooks POS. Shopify provides superior customer service than QuickBooks Point of Sale. When you operate a business, you can't afford to have your POS system down for even 1 hour. That is why it is critical to have a point-of-sale system with good customer service. If anything goes wrong or you have a question about how to utilize a certain function, you want to be able to receive support fast. Unfortunately, QuickBooks customer service is not very excellent. Wait times are lengthy, and reps are frequently useless. Shopify's customer service, on the other hand, is superb. The personnel are educated, and they are typically able to fix concerns fast. There are several reasons why you should consider switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify Point of Sale. Shopify is more user-friendly than QuickBooks and has more e-commerce tools. Furthermore, Shopify provides greater customer assistance than QuickBooks Point of Sale. You may be asking if there are any drawbacks to switching from QuickBooks to Shopify Point of Sale. Well, there are some small tweaks you'll need to make when utilizing Shopify as your cash register. It's a far superior point of sale system to QuickBooks POS. We hope this video has persuaded you to make the move, changing from QuickBooks Point of Sale to Shopify POS. Before you spend money on migrating tools, get professional help. Click the link below to chat with an expert and have your questions addressed.